Form 16 comprises of two parts. Part A is provided by the IT department through traces, and Part B is generated by the system. This video explains the process of merging Part A and Part B to generate one consolidated Form 16. Before proceeding, make sure the Part A of Form 16, in PDF format for each employee, as generated using the department utility, is ready and placed into a folder. Click on Reports. Click on Certificates. Select Form 16, 24Q, Part B. Select the financial year. Select the company. The company name and the town of the company will get displayed. The screen option is selected by default, and the Part B of the certificate will be displayed if you click on OK. To merge Part A and Part B, you need to select either PDF or Add Digital Signature option. For the Add Digital Signature option, you need to select the type of digital signature, which could either be P12/PFX file or Windows Store. In this example, we shall proceed by selecting the option PDF. Select a folder to save the merged Form 16. Select the source folder where Part A of Form 16 is available. Select the employees for whom Part A and Part B have to be merged. Under Print option, enter the place and date that will be printed on the certificate. In Sort On option, one can select the order or sequence of generating the certificates. It could be sorted either on employee PAN or employee name, or the way the data has been entered in the system. If nil has to be printed for the blank subtotals, then check the box for print nil instead of blank for subtotals. Click on OK. All the merged PDF files will get stored in the selected folder. To view the merged PDF file, click on the PDF file. The details of the merged Part A and Part B will get displayed. To view the details, scroll through the file. Close the PDF screen. Close the list of PDF. Click on Exit. Thanks for your time. Hope you found it useful.